Is your child struggling in school and need to improve their grades? Eduxcite provide live online individual personalized lesson for students age 8 to 18 by certified graduate tutors. Convenient and effective tutoring anytime, anywhere. Each child learns at their own pace and we ensure they reach their full potential. We teach maths, physics, chemistry, biology, and computer science for all international curriculum and university admission tests. We carry out an initial assessment and prepare customized lesson plan, targeting your child's exact weaknesses and gaps in knowledge. Our sessions are live and interactive where students learn with interesting quizzes and games. Best of all, save up to 50% of standard home tutoring rates and get unlimited access to lesson recordings for your child's revision. It saves time as no more traveling and it's just one click to join your class. So how do I enroll my child? Simply go to www.eduxciteclasses.weebly.com and sign up for a free individual 40-minute trial lesson now. You first fill out a trial form. Noting your requirement and availability, we will then assign the most suitable tutor for you and schedule your class. It's so simple that all you have to do is to join the class on given time. We use virtual classroom where both student and tutor handwrite on the same whiteboards and communicate directly. We also provide tutor handwritten notes and PDF which was taught during the session after the class gets over. Also, we give regular assessments including any worksheet or questions a student would like to complete. Don't wait any longer. Sign up for a free trial now.